Hello everybody. Today's dish is vegan fruit smoothie. This is a mouth-watering and gastronomically appealing and delicious meal which can replace your traditional breakfast. Milk is obtained from oats and cashew nuts in this dish. Oats contain a compound called phytic acid, so it should be soaked overnight and rinsed well. But oats are rich in soluble fiber, beta-glucan, so it helps to prevent heart attacks and lowers cholesterol. Sabja seeds or basil seeds are a good source of minerals like calcium and magnesium. Magnesium is very important to prevent constipation. Tip of the day. Use only old-fashioned rolled oats. Instant oats does not contain any nutrient value. It is of no use to have instant oats. So avoid it and just use the old-fashioned oats.